So this is how I make a burger, a really good burger. And it's kind of the full meal deal. You don't need to make anything else with it. It's not very difficult. So the portion that I'm making today is based off of 1 pound of beef. So per every 1 pound of beef, I put 1 medium-sized potato and 1 egg. The potato we're gonna bake, poke a bunch of holes in it, throw it in the microwave for 6 minutes or so until it's soft, and then we're gonna mash it up. While the potato's baking, I'm gonna fry up some mushrooms and onions. Totally optional. That's how I like it, but I've also made it with just the potato and egg. So I'm gonna saute these onions and mushrooms with a little bit of butter, just until the edges are a little brown. And that's perfect right there. So 6 minutes is pretty good, but 7 minutes gets you a nice soft potato. If you can just squeeze it a little bit and it falls in on itself, that's perfect. Now I'm going to peel the potato. It peels really easy when it's baked like this. And get all the peel off and then mash it. Now we just mix them all together. We got 1 pound of ground beef, fresh from the butcher shop, 1 egg per pound, mashed potatoes, and mushrooms and onions. I also add some seasoning salt. Just lightly dust the top of it like that and mix it all in. Well, that's actually mixed really good. Now you can just make yourself some patties. I like to make really big patties. So really 1 pound, if you're making nice big burgers, 1 pound's going to feed 3 people. So I've got a non-stick pad here, which is nice to grill on. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. I'm going to use it for the big ones and put this one over here. Alright, it's been 3 minutes now. I think it's time to flip them over. Nice thing about using this here is you don't have to worry about them sticking to the grill. So another 3 minutes and they're going to be good to go. Alright, so they're ready. So now at 3.5, 4 minutes, they're done on the second side. So 6, 7 minutes total is good enough. Right now I turn off the grill, add some cheese. Just let the cheese melt on there. Alright, so I don't add mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, or any sort of condiments at all. I think that it really just steals away from the natural flavors. I just add some avocado, a little tomato, and some lettuce. There you have it. It's a burger. A really good burger. Huh. Yep. They'd like to have some too. Man, that's so good. Give it a shot. You're gonna love it. All right, thanks for tuning in. I gotta eat this burger. Till next time.